just 1 spoon of wood ash, and your plants can explode with growth. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this simple kitchen waste is packed with powerful nutrients your plants absolutely love. Wood ash is rich in potassium, which helps your plants produce stronger flowers and bigger fruits. It also contains calcium and trace minerals that improve soil health and boost overall plant strength. Here's how to use it the right way. Take just 1 spoon of fine, clean wood ash. Make sure it's from natural wood, not charcoal or treated material. Sprinkle it lightly around the base of your plant, then gently mix it into the top layer of soil. After that, water your plant as usual. You can also mix 1 spoon of ash into 1 liter of water, let it sit for a few hours, and use it as a liquid feed for faster absorption. But remember, don't overuse it. Once every 2 to 3 weeks is enough. Too much ash can make the soil too alkaline. Try this simple trick and watch your plants grow faster, greener, and healthier than ever before.